Hello students. In the previous lesson you have learned about how paddy is cultivated. Today you are going to learn about how mango is cultivated and how many varieties of mangoes are available in India. The scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica and it belongs to the family Anacardiaceae. Now, as you all know that it is one of the most important commercially grown fruit crops of the country. Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, these are the leading mango producers in the country. Also, India produces over 40% of the mangoes in India. There are some criteria which you need to follow for cultivating mango. Firstly, the plants should be obtained from the reliable nursery and it should be of known pedigree. Now, what is known pedigree? That means you should be aware of the quality of the plant beforehand. And for the purpose of commercial mango farming, mangoes are mainly propagated by the grafting method. Next is irrigation. And irrigation is to be provided to the newly planted young fruit plants, but it should be kept in mind that there should not be heavy watering or stagnation of water. Also, we need to know that the plant is very much protected against the hot weather. Otherwise, mango cultivation will not be fruitful. Now, planting is usually done in the months of July, August in rain-fed areas and during February, March in irrigated areas. Apart from the hot weather, it is also necessary to protect the young plants for at least 3 to 4 years against frost and low temperature injury. Now, places with good rainfall and dry summer, these are the ideal conditions for the mango cultivation. And planting is usually done in the months of July, August in rain-fed areas and during February, March in irrigated areas. Coming to the different varieties of mangoes. Now, Indian varieties of mangoes are very much famous in the world and they are known for its sweetness, richness and unique flavor. And as you all know that Alfonso mango is one of the best variety of mangoes found in India. Why? Because of its sweetness and flavor. Because of its sweetness, richness and the flavor, Alfonso has been called as the king of the mangoes. There are different varieties of mangoes which we are going to learn today. These are Alfonso, Chausa, Daseri, Kesar, Langra, Mulgoba. So we are going to have a brief description about this along with today we are going to learn about the different varieties of mangoes. Alfonso, Chausa, Daseri, Kesar, Langra, Mulgoba. We are going to learn about it in detail in the next slides along with the picture. The first variety which we are going to learn here is Alfonso. Now, Alfonso is one of the best variety of mango as I've already said, and this is from the Maharashtra region of Ratnagiri, Devgar, Raigad and Konkan. These are the places in the western part of India where Alfonso mango are cultivated. And it is the place where one of the most expensive kinds of mangoes are available in India. Next, coming to Chausa. Now, this Chausa is one of the sweetest mangoes grown in North India. As you can see in the picture, it is medium oblong and has a golden yellow color with a red blush. It is mainly produced in Mirpur Khas Singh in Punjab of Pakistan. Next variety which we are going to learn today is the Daseri. It is also a delicious variety of mango, basically grown in north parts of India. It is one of the very famous variety of mangoes in North India. Malihabad in Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of the Seri mango, along with the other varieties of mangoes like Chausa, Fazli, Lakhnua and many others. Another variety of mango which is available in India is the Kesar mango. It is also simply called as Gir Kesar because the cultivator grown in the foothills of the Girnar in the districts of Junagadh and Amreli of Gujarat. Next variety of mango is Langra, which is a common one. It is a prominent variety of mango and one of the most superior variety of mango from the northern India. These mangoes are originally from the Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Another variety of mango which is available in India is Mulgoba. Now it is one of the best mango grown in Tamil Nadu state and also in other parts of South India. Interestingly, it is often known as Alfonso of South India. Next, we are going to learn about the famous variety which is Himsagar of West Bengal. Now, this Himsagar are the specialty of West Bengal and Orissa, and obviously, Himsagar is one of the top 5 mangoes in India. Apart from these varieties which I've already discussed, there are also some hybrid mango varieties. The first one which you will learn is the Amrapali. You will be surprised to know this Amrapali is a hybrid between Neelam and Dasehari. Next is Mallika. It is also from the cross of Neelam and Dasehari. Its fruit is large in size, oblong and elliptical in shape, and it is cadmium yellow in color. The quality of the fruit is good and it is a mid-season variety. Another hybrid variety which you're going to learn today is Ratna. This is a hybrid from a cross of Neelam and Alfonso. The tree here is vigorous. The fruits here are medium sized and they are attractive in color and free from the spongy tissue. In the next slide, you're going to see world's most expensive mango. That is the Miyazaki mango. It is world's most expensive mango. It weighs about 700 grams. It is red and vibrant skin with yellow spot speckled over the fruit, as you can see in the picture. The flesh is orange in color and tender, filled with strong mango aroma. And according to many people, this Japanese red mango has a taste of about 15 times the normal mango which you consume. So this was all about how mango is cultivated and the varieties of mangoes available in India and the most expensive mango that has been cultivated from the Japanese technology. Thank you.